Yo, what's good? Got a recap for the day. Took one trade today and took one W. That sounds so cringe. But yeah, let's go over what I saw and how I executed it. So first starting with GBP GPY. On the 4 hour we were bearish. Closure below this low. 1 hour was bullish. Actually no, I think it was bearish as well. Um yeah, we were respecting this fair value gap as well as we were around the equilibrium point on the 4 hour. From the side of this low. So we were honestly in a pretty decent area to go short. It was just a matter of finding a proper entry to go and enter, So wait. Okay, so yeah, London highs up here that were just formed at New York session with the 30-minute prior to NY open. We had London lows down here and then Asian highs and then Asian lows. So because I was bearish, sorry, um, because I was bearish, I was honestly fine with price coming into London high or the Asian high, so it didn't really matter to me that much. But I found that when I came into market open, when I saw, because at first price was just like consolidating around here. It was like a green candle, blue candle, bullish, bearish, and like because of that, and because I really wanted a high to be formed, I was kind of praying that price would form a bearish candle and then we would form a high. So honestly, I think that like because every time it moved down, I would get like mad or like angry. So honestly, that I think that stemmed from me thinking that I have to take a trade today and thinking that, oh my god, if this doesn't set up, then I'm not going to be able to take a trade, right? Because Euro USD was honestly setting up pretty fine as well, but GBP USD was out of the picture because I don't know what the fuck was happening on this one. But on GBP JPY, I was kind of like really hoping to take a trade, I feel like, and I was just like, I don't know, I was almost like trying to force something, So it's a good thing that I was doing like that trade journal thing. I think it helped quite a bit with the advanced trade check-in because I was able to notice myself like through it. Yeah, that was a USD, but I was like praying and then I wanted like to take a trade for a potential win, and I feel like that's something that I need to work on, being objective and not trying to take anything. So right at market open, we pushed right into London high, and then we actually broke structure with the next candle to the downside. I did not enter off of this though because it was premature. Ideally looking to enter around like 6:20 to set just after 6:20, and then like before 8. So once we broke structure, I was honestly looking for like a 1 minute continuation to the downside. We did. I like honestly at the time I thought we were gonna come into equilibrium, but not even close. We just pushed right through. Even made it to the 79 extension. So ideally was just gonna like just honestly I had no idea what I was waiting for at this time. I was just like trying to find like some 1 minute confluences, and I did see some fair value gaps, but they all got disrespected. And it was just like we had one here, pushed right past. We had one here, pushed past. One here, pushed past. So I was only looking for a 1 minute continuation. But nothing really showed up. We had like a 1 minute like equilibrium almost, but we didn't like break structure at all. So honestly, it's good that I didn't enter just based off of this break of structure, because honestly my stop would have been like right here and I would have gone stopped out. So before that, so it's good that I didn't and like good that I followed my plan. Good that I didn't like freaking tweak out when I saw the break of structure, and I just stayed patient, and I'm pretty happy about that. So anyways, we consolidated for a bit and then we formed a low and then made a high. And with this we pushed higher into the London high. So honestly, with the break I was willing to enter. So I entered off of this break of structure to the downside. And yeah, stop was right here, just like a bit above the high, and then TP1, like this was kind of ideally my TP1. Let me check my stop was, because it wasn't like a perfect 1-to-1. I think before I was targeting just the bottom of here as the thing, but then I just had the alert at this point because just wanted to make sure. 145. Yep. 946. Yeah, so this is where I got filled exactly. Stop loss was stop loss was some other, I just don't remember, but yeah, I went with a full percent risk on this one. Just because I thought it was pretty good. I think I went like just a bit less. Like this is like 0.7. I think I entered with like 0.6 or something, 0.65, 0.64. Just because maybe pushed a little bit past, and I wanted to honestly have some more space for the stop loss, so I just de-risked a little bit and then put the stop loss a bit higher. But honestly, I had TP1 at the middle of the fair value gap, like the 50% mark of this fair value gap, and that's what I targeted on. It was always like this, but yeah, so I had TP1 right here, took the 50% off at this point, and then because today I had a freaking chemistry AP exam, right before going into the thing, which was at like 7:55, I just took another 50% off, and then just like ignored this TP, and then was considering, I just left the position to run to this TP or break even, and what do you know, price just comes back, stops me at a break even soon after, and then it comes down and takes out all comes and takes out the target. So honestly, I'm not really mad about that. Just maybe I shouldn't have taken 50% off at this point, but I probably would have gotten stopped out at this point. So honestly, I think it's pretty good where I kept the take profit. Yeah, AP exam, that was horrible. I got like cooked. I didn't study for it at all. Well, actually, maybe like I'm just like, but yeah. So what are some emotions? Actually, wait, no, I'll go on you. Actually, wait, no, let me go. So what are some emotions I felt on GBP? So I felt like I had to take a trade low key. Like I was like, yo, like I feel like initially I was like looking for a trade, but then after I was like getting a bit patient. You know, I was like, yo, I don't need to force anything. Just be calm, cool, collected. You know what I'm saying? Like so I just like take a chill pill. You know, and then like just watch price until I got a proper break of structure. Yeah. Honestly, like I was getting a bit impatient around this time. I was like, yo, why the fuck can't price move? Like, why can't it make a high and make a low and shit? Like, I was like kind of getting annoyed, but honestly, it's calm, yo. Just decent day. So yeah, emotions. Then I was feeling a bit impatient at this point. Also, I don't think I really felt like super happy about this because I didn't even know if price was gonna hit my TP because I was just freaking sitting in the AP exam, right, trying cards on their thing, but honestly didn't really feel that much. Honestly, I'm just trying to like I need to focus on not having like a feeling of euphoria after this win. I did increase my risk a little bit, but I need to make sure that I maintain this 1% risk or maybe even de-risk a little bit because tomorrow is FOMC meeting minutes, I think, or yeah, just FOMC stuff, but that is at 12, so maybe I'll be go if I find something, maybe I'll just go one, but yeah, I think I didn't risk like a full one. I think it was like, let me do some calculations. I think it was like, and then I had a 21.9.48. Wait, but I don't even know what I'm trying to do right now. This is just for fun now. Okay, so it was actually I don't know if my stop loss is right here, but I think maybe I did risk a full. Actually, no, it was like $98, and I only made like 70-ish on this one. So I think it's I don't know. I feel like I risked like because when I hit TP1 with a 1-to-1, it was only at like 90 or like 80. So I don't know. I think I de-risked a bit. I don't know if that's right, but yeah, honestly, it's like, bro, I don't even care about the money, bro. At least I got it up. At least I was like patient, and it shows that patience pays. You know. I was waiting for my setup. I only took like 2 trades last week. Didn't take a trade yesterday, and now I'm getting a proper setup. And it's also good that I didn't look at the markets because if I saw, actually no, I did look at like one time because I was about to go to like I was about to cut to school, and I wanted to know if I should move to break even or something like that. But yeah, when I checked, we were like right here, so I was like kind of tweaking out. You know, I was like $60 in drawdown, and I was kind of like getting a bit worried. You know, but I mean, no, trust the process. I don't know what the heck happened here, but you know, we just had a big sell off in 2 candles. We hit take profit, so honestly, calm with that. Yeah, wait, I didn't go over Euro yesterday, but I'll just make this one quick. So 4 hour was bearish as well. Actually, no, it was bullish. Yeah, we were bullish, but closed out for this high. 1 hour was also bullish. Actually, no, we were bearish. Am I tweaking? Yeah, we closed below this low, so we were bearish on the 1 hour. So that's like something extra to see. So we had London highs, London lows. Honestly, with this one, I was honestly thinking that. Wait, I said honestly twice, but wait, what I was thinking is like I thought like this would like be a like offer me a setup, but it didn't. We opened like here, and with this big move down, I honestly thought that London low would want to get taken out, but you know we just reversed, and then that was on GBP, JPY started like consolidating a bit too. So honestly, kind of weird market open for forex, but Yeah. So something like I kind of like tweaked out about as well was like, because I was thinking like Euro USD and GBP JPY is like moving opposite, but I gotta like clear that out of my mind, you know. But I mean, we did move up, right? And we did move down on GBP JPY. So honestly, like, but I don't even know. But yeah, we didn't interact with the London low. So honestly, I didn't see anything to enter long off of. So I didn't take a trade on this one. And then GBP USD, it was honestly like not even remotely close to giving me a setup. I mean, it was giving me potential to go off a long off of a high. We were bullish when I was bullish as well on this one. So on the 30 minute, we were up here when market opened. We had no low, no highs here, or like the London low was all the way down here. So honestly, what I was thinking, like if I was to get us up, it would be like we come down into here and then move up. But even then, I probably wouldn't take that just because I don't really like taking the long off of a high or a short off of a low kind of thing, you know. So that's why I didn't take that. So yeah, honestly, pretty decent day. Not really worried about a stop loss for break even, I think, but I don't know, not break even. I think I still just had the thing and it just hit from there. Yeah, 410. Yeah, honestly, I don't even. But I don't. I'm just getting sidetracked. But honestly, decent day. Not decent. I think it was like a pretty good day. I followed my plan. I feel like every day that I follow my plan is a good day, you know. And then the money's just a byproduct. That's what I need to focus on. So today was a good day. Focus on my plan. Got paid for it. I mean, followed my plan. I got paid for it. AP exam wasn't ideal, bro. Well, like apparently cost like $40 to skip. So honestly, like it's fine that I went, but I woke up at like 4:40 ish this morning, and then I ate breakfast, took a shit, and then showered all before the market opened, and then I left like at 7:40 ish. But I was still in this position, so I wasn't really looking for anything else. But yeah, you know, good thing I didn't skip the trading day. Yeah, goodbye.